What's up, guys? So I want to show you how to use CBD oil correctly. So here's my CBD oil. There's a lot of different methods out there, but this is the one that I found to be the most effective. So I have 500 milligrams of CBD oil here. So most oils, of course, are going to come with a dropper at the end. So I'm going to demonstrate what I do. So obviously we are going to undo this, and we're going to start out by squeezing all the CBD oil out of the dropper. Okay, it's all out. Then we're going to put this back in all the way down, and then we're going to squeeze. Most of you know how to use a dropper, but that's not the most important part of this. And then we're going to release, and we're going to pull out. So there is our dose, as you can see. Now we're going to put this under our tongue, and then we're going to hold it for 30 to 90 seconds. That's the big deal right there, 30 to 90 seconds. Now obviously I'm not going to sit here for 30 to 90 seconds for purposes of this video, but that's the part where it's most effective. So make sure that you're doing that. If you've been just taking it and swallowing it, it may not be getting into your bloodstream as much as it needs to be. So make sure that you're doing that and adding that component to taking it and seeing if it's more and more effective for you. I was doing mine at first with the full stomach with my food. It didn't seem to be as effective. Whenever I was taking it without my food, it seemed to be more effective, obviously. So that's also something to try out if it hasn't been working for you. And remember, this isn't going to work for everybody. This isn't a cure for anything by any means. It's something to help out. It's something to help out with your health issues, your anxiety, and your depression. So I hope I cleared that up for some of you out there. There are some CBD oils down in the description below that you can check out, and there's a lot of other resources, but I just kind of wanted to give a video and show you how to actually use it, because I didn't know how to use it at first, so I had to do a lot of research, and I looked at a couple videos, but this was the most effective way out of all of them. When I first bought this, I was told to just put it under my tongue and swallow it, but I didn't know the component of actually holding it there for a long time, so it really gets into your bloodstream good before it just, goes out. So just make sure that you're adding that component and see if that makes a difference for you. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'm going to have another video out later today. So stay tuned, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification bell. If you got value out of this video, hit that like button and leave me a comment. Let me know, are there any other methods that you have seen or used to take your CBD oil? Guys, have a good one.